Hi, Pete Miller here for Asia Focus, and this is update number 2 of my second month of Adobe Stock footage journey for 12 months. And I'll be producing one of these each month. So how did February go? Well, it was pretty good, actually. I got a lot of acceptances, which was fantastic. It was all about building inventory. I now stand at 36 assets, 26 photos and 10 videos. And I mostly uploaded videos this month because we had a renovation happening at our house, and it was really perfect. The builders were going, why isn't he taking wide shots? I zoomed right in on what they were doing. The one skill, one frame, that's all they did. And it was really good. The one that got rejected was I filmed from behind of the builder spray painting. I thought, well, you can't see his face. You know, it's okay. But Adobe said, no, you need a model release for that because the body is still recognizable. I did inquire, but he hasn't even got an email address. So builders in northern Thailand require very little technology in their work and their lives. They like to keep it simple. It's like a step back in time. So, you know, it's quite refreshing. So anyway, I just picked another film from that episode, and it was his hands spray painting the steel close up, and that was accepted. So yeah, it's been really, really good. The main thing is though, the joy for me was that my iPhone 16 Pro Max is what I filmed all of the videos on. I don't like taking my Sony 6700 camera out in the wild with all the dust and the dirt and everything. That's how I wrecked my Nikon D90 years ago. So yeah, this was accepted. Now, this is a neck mount from an action camera, and it's got gel inside it around there. And I found that this absorbs my micro twitters in my hands. Fantastic. So I was able to get very steady footage, not panning or tilting or anything like that, but just using this gel, I was able to keep it really steady, breathing out. So that was fantastic. Really good news for me and my cameras. So that's it for February. And next month I'll probably be doing pretty much the same. Continuing to build the inventory, learn the lessons. And if you want to see what my Adobe Stock portfolio looks like at the moment, this link is in the description. So stay focused. Pete Miller signing off. Bye for now.